Your body is not broken. It's responding to how you've been living. And here's the truth most people don't know. Your cells can repair themselves. Your energy system can be rebuilt starting today. Everything we talked about, fatigue, brain fog, weight gain, metabolic breakdown, it all comes back to one thing: mitochondrial dysfunction. But here's what changes everything. Mitochondria are adaptive. They can grow. They can multiply. They can become more efficient. You are not stuck. The fastest way to rebuild your energy system? Move your body. Research shows exercise can increase mitochondrial density, improve energy production, improve insulin sensitivity. Even 30 minutes of walking daily can begin restoring mitochondrial function. Add resistance training? Even more powerful. Now let's talk about something powerful: fasting. When you stop constantly feeding your body, it activates a process called autophagy. That means damaged cells are broken down, old components are recycled, mitochondria are repaired. Your body has a built-in system. You just have to let it work. Your mitochondria need real fuel. Focus on whole foods, healthy fats, protein, fiber-rich vegetables. These provide B vitamins, magnesium, antioxidants, the exact nutrients your cells need to produce energy. Not all calories are equal. Some fuel your system. Others slowly break it down. Sleep is where the repair happens. During sleep, mitochondria recover, hormones reset, inflammation drops. Even 1 week of better sleep can improve metabolic function. This is not optional. This is biological maintenance. Chronic stress destroys energy, so you have to bring your body out of survival mode. Sunlight, walking, deep breathing, time away from screens. These simple actions help restore balance and protect your mitochondria. You don't need extreme diets. You don't need shortcuts. You need to fix how your body produces energy. Because when your cells work, everything else follows. Energy, focus, fat loss, health. If you like this video, I want to see more. Subscribe, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.